Winfrey Owino, KTN, Nairobi.
Let's now talk about reconstituting IEBC. The National Assembly Justice and Legal Affairs Committee has given a green light for the appointment of all 7 nominees to the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, a step crucial for restoring faith in Kenya's electoral process. JLAC insists that the candidates were thoroughly scrutinized and deemed fit to serve. However, the High Court issued conservatory orders that now halt the gazettement and swearing in of the nominees. As Daniel Kariuki reports, a legal storm is brewing, and until a constitutional bench is empaneled by Chief Justice Martha Koome, the future of the IEBC hangs delicately in limbo.
After facing the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, JLAC of the National Assembly, all 7 nominees to the reconstituted Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, Erastus Edang Ethekon, Angerin Derito, Moses Alutalala Muhwana, Mary Karen Sorobit, Hassan Nur Hassan, Francis Odhiambo and Fahima Arafat Abdallah have received the committee's nod. The National Assembly is now expected to debate the committee's report and take a final vote that could reject or clear the way for their formal appointment.
Pursuant to the provisions of Article 252B of the Constitution, approves the appointment of Mr. Erastus Edung Ethekon as the chairperson.
During Saturday's vetting, some nominees made revelations that raised eyebrows, with the lawmakers putting them to task on integrity, impartiality, and preparedness for the role.
Perceive that you'd be biased in favor of the current president by virtue of the fact that you have an association.
I will be guided by the Constitution of Kenya and the laws of Kenya, and that through that fidelity to the law, I should be able to follow all the laid down processes.
Please answer Honorable Karemba's question. Are you related to Honorable Junet Mohammed?
Mr. Chairman, I am related to Honorable Junet Mohammed. I am his brother-in-law. Mr. Chairman, as his brother-in-law, I existed long before Junet was born. But I am Junet's brother-in-law.
The National Assembly is expected to debate and vote on the committee's recommendations, paving the way for their formal appointment and swearing in of the commissioners. However, their fate now hangs in the balance after the High Court issued conservatory orders halting their gazettement and swearing in.
This file is hereby forwarded to the Chief Justice for empanelment of an even number of judges to hear and determine the petition.
The petition challenging the process awaits the appointment of a bench by Chief Justice Martha Koome, which will determine whether the process was legally sound. According to law, once approved by Parliament, the commissioners should be formally appointed by the President and sworn into office unless the court rules otherwise. Daniel Kariuki, KTN.
Coming up, a new dawn in health contributions.
All right, let's now talk about the 2025-2026 budget.